Problem number 7 is the opposite of problem number 8 because we're starting with molecules. So that's our given. 3.668 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. But this time our unknown is grams. So that's what we're going to put at the end of this diagram or equation is molecules. Oh, grams. Apologies. And we're trying to get from molecules to grams. So if we started with molecules over here, that means we're trying to cancel it out and get to grams. Well, we don't have a fraction that will go from molecules to grams. The only fraction that we have up above is it will take us from molecules to moles. There's 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules in 1 mole. And now when we look at our units, the molecules have canceled out and we're in moles. We're trying to get to grams, so we've got to change the unit of moles by getting rid of it. That means moles is going to be on the bottom and we're going to convert to grams. When we look at the fraction, there's 1 mole is equal to its molar mass. So in this problem, our molar mass is given. It's 1,210.48 grams. When we do the math, we're going to take the 3.668 times 10 to the 23rd. That's supposed to be a 2, not a very good 2. So 23rd, and you're going to then multiply it by 1,210.48. Now this is where it's important that you're going to use parentheses. And the important part is that you use parentheses on what's on the bottom. If you write it in as 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, make sure you have parentheses. If you are using the E button or exponent button on your computer or your calculator, then you don't need parentheses, but it's a good habit to be in. This gives you an answer of 737.3. Doing this on the circles, it's 2 steps again. You have you're going to start out with the circle that has molecules on it. So you're then going to divide by Avogadro's number because it's on the bottom, and the number of molecules is 3.668 times 10 to the 23rd. Once you have that answer, that represents moles, and you can then plug that answer into the other circle, which the other circle is going to have moles on bottom, and molecular weight is 1,210.48, and grams is what you're trying to solve for. So when you take the number of moles calculated on the other circle, you plug it into this here and you multiply it by molecular weight to get grams.